And we rely on the federal government for funding because the work that I do is more basic science. So when I think about research, sometimes I think of it as a journey, right? And there are different types of journeys you can take. Sometimes you can see where you want to go. And, it's like looking at the top of a mountain. You know it's there. You know you can get there. You just don't know how yet. And I think that kind of research maybe has a little bit more chance of getting funded by some of the drug companies, especially if you can see the peak from not too far away, right?
Yes, yes,
It doesn't
yes.
take too much to get there, or some of the other medical companies. But the kind of research that my lab works on is more like this exploratory research where we suddenly stumbled upon a whole new continent. And now we have to see what's there and what might be useful about it. And it's not the kind of thing that has an immediate application, where you can take it next week and commercialize it and make money off of it. But it is the kind of thing that has really broad effects. So we may not just get to the top of the mountain. We might be able to collect a bunch of new plants, find some new animals, find a new place to farm. Who knows? All of these things that we could discover on our new continent, right? And so I think that because we're at the fundamental level, we don't have as much potential for direct investment, but we have potentially greater impact overall.